Every human dreams. It's a universal experience that connects us all. Each night we enter worlds crafted by our minds, fantastical, mundane, terrifying, or beautiful. We might fly, reunite with lost loved ones, or solve problems that stump us when awake. The big question: why do we dream? Is it random brain noise, or does it serve a vital function? Understanding dreams is a quest to decode the secret language of our brains. Dreams can influence our mood and thoughts long after we wake. Their emotional power suggests they're more than fleeting images. They're essential to our mental health. In this exploration, we'll dive into dream science history and the latest discoveries. We'll uncover how dreams shape creativity, emotional regulation, and personal growth. By the end, you'll see dreaming as an incredible nightly gift and learn how to harness its power. During REM sleep, your brain becomes astonishingly active, sometimes more than when awake. Brain scans reveal a symphony of neural activity. Visual, emotional, and memory centers all light up. The amygdala, our emotional center, is hyperactive, making dreams intense and vivid. The hippocampus replays and consolidates memories, weaving recent events with deep feelings. Meanwhile, the logical prefrontal cortex quiets down, freeing dreams from reality's rules. This unique brain state allows for creative associative thinking, like overnight therapy. The brain processes tough emotions in a safe, simulated environment, helping us heal. Dreams strip away emotional charge from memories, letting us learn and move forward. Dreams are full of fascinating quirks. People blind from birth don't see in dreams. Instead, they experience sound, touch, smell, and taste. During REM sleep, your body is paralyzed, a safety feature called rematonia. This prevents you from acting out your dreams, keeping you safe in bed. We all dream for about 2 hours each night, but forget up to 95% of them within minutes. Dreams closest to waking are most likely to be remembered. Memory chemicals are suppressed during REM, so recall is tricky. Real-world stimuli can sneak into dreams, like a ringing phone or thirst. This dream incorporation shows the brain is always monitoring the environment. Even asleep, your mind weaves outside signals into the dream story. The dreaming brain is never fully cut off from reality. Before brain scans, psychologists saw dreams as windows to the unconscious. Freud believed dreams were wish fulfillment, expressing hidden desires in symbolic form. Jung saw dreams as tools for self-discovery, using universal symbols to guide us. Modern psychology views dreams as vital for emotional regulation, overnight therapy for the mind. Dreams help us process daily emotions and conflicts, reducing their impact. Recurring dream themes can reveal unresolved issues or anxieties. By paying attention to your dreams, you gain insight into your inner world. Dreams act as your personal internal therapist, helping you understand yourself. Science is uncovering subtle functions of dreaming beyond memory and emotion. The threat simulation theory suggests dreams let us rehearse responses to danger, boosting survival. We remember dreams best when waking at the end of REM, but forgetting most dreams protects reality. Dream incubation, focusing on a problem before sleep, can spark creative solutions. The dreaming brain excels at making broad, unexpected connections. Dreams also help us practice social interactions, refining our emotional intelligence. We simulate conversations and conflicts, preparing for real-life relationships. Dreams are not just personal, they help us connect with others. Our dream worlds are training grounds for both survival and social skills. Most dreams sweep us along, but lucid dreaming lets us realize we're dreaming. In a lucid dream, you become aware and can influence the dream's content. Lucid dreaming is a skill anyone can learn with practice. Reality testing, asking "Am I dreaming?" during the day, can trigger lucidity at night. Once lucid, you can fly, explore, or even confront nightmares. Lucid dreaming is more than wish fulfillment. It's a tool for personal growth. People use lucidity to resolve fears and transform recurring nightmares. Neuroscientists find the prefrontal cortex reactivates during lucid dreams, blending awareness with sleep. Lucid dreaming offers a unique window into consciousness itself. It shows how awareness can emerge even in the depths of sleep. The dreaming brain is a natural innovator, making creative leaps beyond waking logic. History is full of breakthroughs born in dreams, like McCartney's Yesterday or Kekula's Benzene Ring. Anyone can tap into this creativity through dream incubation. Focus on a problem before sleep. The dreaming mind connects ideas in unexpected ways, sparking fresh solutions. REM sleep is a mental sandbox for experimentation, free from judgment. Pay attention to your dreams. They may hold the seeds of your next big idea. Record strange images and narratives. They're clues from your creative subconscious. Treat dreams as a resource for inspiration and problem solving. Your nightly sleep is an active period of mental exploration. Harnessing your dreams can unlock endless creative potential. Keeping a dream journal is a powerful way to explore your inner world. Place a notebook by your bed and write down dreams as soon as you wake. This practice trains your brain to remember dreams more vividly. Over time, you'll notice richer details and recurring patterns. A dream journal becomes a personal database of your unconscious mind. Look for symbols, emotions, and themes. They reveal your hidden anxieties and desires. Journaling dreams is more than a hobby. It's self-exploration and self-care. It builds a bridge to your subconscious, fostering growth and awareness. Dreaming is an essential, purposeful part of our biology. Each night our brains heal, consolidate memories, and spark creativity. Dreams offer insight and wisdom if we pay attention. Their messages are symbolic, highlighting fears, joys, and unresolved conflicts. Reflecting on dreams reveals patterns in our emotions and relationships. Instead of dismissing dreams, approach them with curiosity and respect. They're a natural guidance system, a compass for the soul. Keeping a journal or practicing lucid dreaming is a powerful act of self-discovery. Honoring your dream life honors the complexity of your mind. In understanding our dreams, we take a leap toward understanding ourselves.